Hello YouTube. My fourth video is about just a rope without the originally in my last video shown fishing hooks, because some of us don't need them and I think I don't need them, so it's an easier and more comfortable way to just add the rope to the Cyber Tool L, and it looks this way. So it's just stuffed in here. I fixed I always say bunch. I don't know the exact word, but you know what I mean. This pressed bunch of rope, and it fits pretty good. So here's the tool holder, the bit storage. I don't know what it's called. It fits inside here. Then you can close the next layer. Then you can close the bit holder, and then you have the exact Victorinox tool with 6-meter band inside, and including, as I said in my last video, I fixed 1 meter of a centimeter band compared to this just inside this band. So the space is crowded and so nothing else would fit inside, but I like this idea.